Hello, welcome to CryptoBox channel. Before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification to receive our crypto update. As the ripple effects of Luna and USD's demise spread across the market, many elite members of the crypto society have dropped statements regarding the current market environment. After weeks of staying pat on the issue, billionaire Novogratz came out of his hidey hole and issued a public letter discussing his take on the entire fiasco. Hello, it's CryptoBox channel again, and I'm happy to welcome you to another edition of our video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. And just before we proceed, you may like to join our Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description to enjoy benefits like free trading tips, general crypto analysis, free and legit airdrop, and lots more. Let us go into today's video without wasting much time. When Luna and UST crashed last week, many expected Galaxy Digital CEO Novogratz, who is a vocal crypto proponent and also carries a Luna tattoo on his arm, to speak on the issue. Well, the billionaire has broken his silence after returning to Twitter for the first time in 10 days to discuss the matter. There is no good news in what happened in markets or to the Terra ecosystem. In Luna and UST alone, $40 billion of market value was destroyed in a very short amount of time. I am going to try to add some insights to the ongoing discussion. Novogratz explained that UST was an attempt at creating an algorithmic stable coin that would live in a digital world, but it was a big idea that failed. He added that macro market worries put pressure on Luna reserves, which were not enough to save the ecosystem's downfall. UST growth had exploded from the 18% yield offered in the Anchor protocol, which eventually overwhelmed other uses of the Terra blockchain. The downward pressure on reserve assets coupled with UST withdrawals triggered a stress scenario akin to a run on the bank. Crypto is not going away. Novogratz reiterated some important principles of investing following the Luna UST flash crash. He suggested investors keep a diversified portfolio, take profits along the way, have an apt risk management framework, and be mindful of the macro environment. While speaking about different market cycles, Novogratz added that restructuring, a redemption cycle, consolidation, and renewed confidence in crypto would lift the market back to the top. However, he remains bullish on the industry's long-term prospects and concluded by saying, "I firmly believe now more than ever that the crypto revolution is here to stay." Bitcoin market cycle takes a U-turn in 2022. Novogratz's statements on market cycles come during a notable change in the direction of Bitcoin. The King Coin's last bull run was recorded in November 2021, and since then, a bearish cycle has followed. This year, BTC prices shifted below major supports of $45,000 and $40,000, and currently held around $29,000, a full 54% below its ATH. The downturns, accentuated by Luna's collapse, had not only affected common investors but also high net worth individuals. Recently, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao revealed that his Luna investments were down to $600 from an initial investment of $1.6 billion following the market decline. Earlier, Bloomberg had reported that Gemini Exchange founders Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss have each lost roughly $2.2 billion this year, nearly 40% of their wealth. Meanwhile, Coinbase Brian Armstrong's wealth had dropped to $2.2 billion from $8 billion in just 2 months. The decline of Terra paved the way for an array of speculations, loss, backlash, and much more. The demise of both Luna, as well as UST, had the community believing that it was over for the network. However, Do Kwon, the founder and CEO of Terraform Labs, has plans for revival. Community proposals have been pouring in. While some focus on immediate recovery, a few others have been pitching ideas that aid in the proper resurrection of the system. The one that seems to have made it to the cut was a possible hard fork. However, now, Kwon had to seek votes from the holders of the Luna governance token. Further elevating his revival plan, Kwon urged the community to pour in their votes. This plan will reportedly switch up the blockchain. The Terra governance proposal number 1623 will even instigate a change in name to Terra Classic and Luna Classic. The aforementioned proposal went live at 7:30 a.m. ET today and has managed to attain millions of votes so far. At press time, over 11 million, accounting for 24.2%, were against the proposal, while nearly 38 million voted in favor. This meant that 76% of them wanted a fork. However, a total of 188 million Luna votes would be required for the proposal to achieve a green signal. If the proposal is successful, a final snapshot will be taken of the Terra Classic network at block 7790000, and a new network will be born. This proposal has been making the round since yesterday, and so has this poll that shows the community did not want to move ahead with the fork. Among a whopping 6,365 voters, only 8% wanted a fork. The other 92% were against it. However, this poll was open to those who log into the forum without having to hold Luna. While this led to an array of speculation on how the fork was dead even before its arrival, the latest voting seems to be suggesting otherwise. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive our newest updates.